Let's initiate and commence with the great name of Allah, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mr. Talha, and today we will discuss about noun. It's a very important topic for the student who are learning English in a national level. So today I will explain it in a good way and hope that you will understand it completely. Otherwise, you have any problem in this topic after watching the video, so you contact me through a comment section. We need to move toward the topic. So what was the topic? Noun. So what is noun? Noun is one of the parts of speech which is defined by different people in a different ways. And today we will discuss of some of the definition of a noun. So first of all, we have a definition of a noun, and someone people define the noun in a different way. Like for example, a noun is a word that refers to a person, place, things, etc. Like for example, Musa, chair. And someone defined like that, a noun is a word which is represent a person, place, things, etc. Like for example, Talha, table. And in the last one, I will give you a very short and easy definition of a noun. Every naming word is called noun. Like for example, dog, book, etc. देखो अगर आप इंग्लिश में अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो मैं आपको उर्दू में बताता चलूँ कि नाउन एक ऐसा वर्ड है कि हम कभी भी किसी चीज़ को, किसी जानवर को, किसी इंसान को, किसी जगह की कंसेप्ट या आइडिया को मुखातिब करें तो उसे नाउन कहते हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, ये एक मार्कर है, इसको हमने मुखातिब कर ले तो ये क्या हो गया? ये एक नाउन हो गया. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि ये क्या है तो आप कहोगे ये व्हाइट बोर्ड है, तो ये क्या हो गया? इसको हमने मुखातिब कर लिया तो ये क्या हो गया? ये एक नाउन हो गया. जो मुझे सामने दिख रहा है ये एक वॉल है, इसको हमने मुखातिब कर लिया तो ये क्या हो गया? नाउन हो गया. So all these are about the noun, and we are going to wind up this topic. And again, if you have any problem or suggestion, so you contact me through our comment section. Wish you best of luck. See you into the next video. Take care of yourself. Wassalam.